So in this Wise app tutorial video, I will be showing you how to add money to your account by wire transfer here on the Wise app. So once the app's opened up, make sure you guys are on the bottom left home screen here. Once you're on the home screen at the top where it says send, add money, upload, select add money. Then once it brings you to this screen right here, you can then type in the amount of money that you want to add. So if I wanted to do $100, I would type in 100 and then press done. Once you're here, it'll then show you the currency. So in my case, Canadian dollars, that's fine. But where it says paying with direct debit, press change. And then make sure that at the bottom where it says domestic wire transfer, that option is selected. Once you have that option selected, it'll then show you when it arrives. So in my case, it would arrive by Friday. It'll then show you the total with fees right here. So in my case, $100, 31 cents in fees. That's the price here. But if that looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed that way with the funding of your account. So that is how you guys can add money to your account by wire transfer here on Wise. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.